Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy cars on Beach Buggy Racing 2. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game. Tap on the team option from the top of your screen. Here you can see the change car option. Tap on it. Now, scroll down and select the car that you want to buy. Finally, tap on the Buy Now button and buy the car. And this is how you can buy cars on Beach Buggy Racing 2. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.